Hey guys, and welcome to our latest project. And this one is a completely different one compared to our previous ones, as this one is a commercial to residential conversion. So come in and let me show you around and tell you more about it. So here we are, and as you can see, the strip out has been done already. So this one is our first commercial purchase. We thought we wanna try something different than what we did in the past. So we will be converting this into a 7-bedroom HMO. We had the planning approved and it actually went pretty smooth, I have to say. They approved our application within the first 2 months. However, because this is a grade 2 listed building, it took us another 4 months, I would say, to discharge all the conditions because we need to address all the conservation officers' requirements. But nevertheless, we have the planning in place, we started the works, and let me show you around. So this is gonna be our first very big bedroom. It's absolutely stunning, has a lot of nice features. As you can see, we have all the doors and skirtings piled up here because we will have to reuse them, as obviously this is a grade 2 listed building. And then we're gonna block this door and we're gonna have an entrance here from the hallway into a second bedroom. So this floor is gonna have 2 nice big size bedrooms. This house has in general a bit different layout than what we are used to, but of course, that's what keeps it creative and interesting. Let me show you where we're gonna have a little, not a storage, but where all the electrics and all the boilers will be. So we're gonna have a little nice area here that we can keep all the electrics behind, closed from the tenants. And this is gonna be the access to the garden. And then I can take you downstairs where it's gonna be our communal kitchen. So we are in the lower ground floor right now, and this is where it's gonna be our communal kitchen living area. Right here, we have a little storage room where we're gonna have all the washing machines and the dryers. And this is where all the magic gonna happen. We're gonna have a very nice kitchen, a little nice dining area. And one very nice thing about it is that you have an access here straight to the back garden, for your rubbish or just enjoy the garden. So it's still, even if it's a lower ground floor, it's very nice because you have a big window, you have a door, so it allows a lot of light in here. And I think it's gonna be pretty nice communal space, which is outside of any tenants, so it doesn't bother them. It's not in front of the room, they can't hear any sounds. So I think this layout, it's gonna work really, really nice. Now, let me take you upstairs to show you more bedrooms. So we are on the first floor now, and we have another room here at the back, which we decided to keep as an off suite for one of the bedrooms. So we would give just way more space in the bedroom instead of trying to squeeze it in, especially because we have space for it and we have amazing layout. So now let me show you the bedrooms. So we are on the first floor. The boys started creating the layout, but it's not fully created yet. We're gonna have a little hallway here, and then that's where one of the bedrooms is gonna be. And then we're gonna have another 2 bedrooms here. They started already creating the ensuite and fireboard all the ceilings. So we're gonna have 1 bedroom here and another bedroom here, which is gonna have an ensuite coming into the other room. We bought this building actually for a super good price. We bought it for $155,000. It was pre-auction. They wanted to go to the auction, but we were pushing the vendor to accept the offer beforehand, and we were like, that's the only time our offer valids. So she did accept our offer, and we feel like we got this building for a super nice price because it's in a premium location. It's super central, has the metro center just next to it. So we are super happy about it. And now let me show you the loft. So we are in a loft right now, and this is where it's gonna be another 2 bedrooms with the en-suites. This one is our first building where we didn't have it to go into the loft. We are building on our current layout. We're not adding any additional space. We're just building on what we have right now. And you can see all these bricks here. We are reinstating the chimney. The previous owner removed the chimney long time ago, but because it's Grade 2 listed building, they obviously asked us to reinstate it, and that's what we're doing. Now, let me talk you through the numbers. So as I mentioned before, we bought this house for $155,000. We have now planning approved for 7-bedroom HMO, and the renovation we are expecting to be $180,000 with the end GDV of $500,000, and we are expecting $57,000 per year in rent on this house. So our builders are breaking up the chimney right now, and then the next week the boys are back to carry on with partitions and fireboarding the ceiling. So the progress will be so much faster. We are expecting this to take up to 6 months, even with some delays if we will have, so it shouldn't pass 6 months timeline. And if you would like to see our latest project, how we finished it and how it looks like, make sure to check out this video here. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.